Hello everyone, today we are going to study free body diagrams. So what is the free body diagram? Actually, when we are solving the numerical problems in the mechanics of physics, then we need to make the free body diagrams. So free body diagram is nothing but it is a diagram of that individual body which is free from the all the supports, and we can put the all the forces on it and do the analysis. The body which is free from all the supports and we show all the forces which are applied on it. Like, I will give you the one example. Like, we are having the body like this, a body which is resting on the surface. The weight of that body is small w. For the free body diagram of that body, then we make the body like this. That is the making the gravitational force is downward is small w, that is equal to mg, and same like floor which is making the reaction force on that body, the small perpendicular to that surface. So while making the free body diagram of that body, then we can make the diagram like this. This is the w weight body, w weight is equal to mg is downward, and normal reaction force is upward direction. Then body is free from the support, and we are showing the all the forces which is acting on that body, like gravitation force downward and normal reaction force upward. And then we can solve. Like, we can also have the such kind of diagram, like a mass which is pulled by the two person by means of pulley. Capital W weight is this, then this is point A, this is B, this is C. Then if we are making the free body diagram of that body, then we can, this is W is equal to mg is acting in this direction, and TAB tension in this rope, and TAC in this rope. So how can we define that? That direction would be in this direction only. The W is going downward only, and that reaction is upward only. So we are having the set few rules through which we can decide that if we are having a flexible cable, a belt, a chain, or rope, like body like this, like other body like this, if it is having the theta degree angle, then SBD for this we always shows the tension in that direction, like A, B, this, and the same angle as the position of the string was given, a flexible cable was given. Number 2, a smooth surface like we are having the body like this, which is rest on that smooth surface. So normal reaction of on that smooth surface for this body will be like this. If rough surface is there, then like surfaces little bit rough, this is body, this surface. Then if body is moving in this direction, then the friction force in the normal reaction, then resultant will be in this direction. This is normal reaction, this is resultant. If roller support is there, if roller support is there, support may be like this, support may be like this, support may be like this, support may be like this. So there will be only normal reaction on that point. Freely sliding guide, then if freely sliding guide, like we are having the member like this, here one sliding guide is there, that guide, that member, or we can say that assembly get the normal reaction. If at any place any hinge joint is there, like pin joint, pin or hinged connection, Then hinge connection means connection will be like this. The body can rotate about this point. Then that hinge point always having the two kind of forces. First one is up vertical force, second one is horizontal force. You can take the force in any direction. If you will take the wrong direction, then you will get the negative value of your answer. Like if you are having the fixed support or called built-in support, or fixed support, like this, or we may have the member like this. This is by means of plate. Fixed on the wall, so it would have the three kind of force: vertical force, horizontal forces, horizontal force and vertical force, and third one is moment against the deflection. Three forces means wherever we are having the roller support, single force, vertical freely sliding guide, vertical force, vertical reaction we can say, a normal reaction along the guide. Pinch or hinge connection having the two different forces, a vertical and one horizontal. Built-in or fixed support, it is having the three kind of force like vertical, horizontal as well as a moment on it. Like gravitational attraction, that was the number, I think 7 and this is 8. Attraction means if any body is there, then it having the mass this, the gravitational should be the downward. Then we will consider the mass of that body is weight is downward like mg. Spring force, spring action, like we are having the spring like this. If we are applying force in this direction, then reaction will get in this direction. Application force and reaction force. Force, reaction force by spring. See, now we are having the some problem like one problem is stress. can say plane truss. Actually this is a two-dimensional truss. Plane truss like this. If we are having a truss like this, if it is having the an external load P, so what kind of reaction would be there? Then this is the roller support, so here we would have the normal reaction, and this is the hinge point. Here one, like if we are zooming the point A, point B, then we can write like this RB. If we are having the point A, this is RA vertical and RA horizontal. Why the two forces here? Because it is a hinge point. Why there is single force? Because here is a ruler support is there. The ruler support always perpendicular to the supporting base. Supporting base is a horizontal, so that's why it is a vertical. If in any case, if the ruler support for such kind of condition would be given, if any structure is given like this, we are having the ruler support like this, so on that time the reaction will be like this. Why here horizontal force is not there? Because if the horizontal force act on that point, that will move. Any force will act in this direction, that can move in the forward or backward. So that's why the horizontal force is not acting on roller support. In cantilever beam, if it is having the force like F1, F2, F3 like this, it is the fixed beam, so it would have the one reaction RA vertical, RA horizontal, and moment about A, three forces. Fourth problem, if we are having the beam like if we are having the body like this, beam in this condition, it is hinged at that point. If it is suffering the external load P is also is there, then the free body diagram will be for this beam. P is external force, one horizontal force, one vertical force, a point A, RA vertical, RA horizontal. If we make the arrow from this direction, we can also make this way. If the answer, if our assumption is correct, then answer will be the positive. If our assumption is wrong, then answer will be the negative. No issue. So weight will lie in the mid is downward direction, W, that is equal to mg, and the normal reaction and that point, that is the n, and moment we can show like this, okay. These are the simple problems on which we are having the different supports on which we can apply the different kind of forces, and we can also observe the what kind of support is there. With the simply supported, see, one more important thing, sometimes we used to tell simply support. What is the simply support? See, it is nothing but it is just rest that beam on that support, that is called the simple support. But industry generally, that this kind of support we are using in two way. First one is roller support, other one is hinge support, because just resting the roof on the support, that is the illogical thing. If drag force will be higher, that can lift also. So this is the thing, and few kind of problem also we may study in mechanics, like one cylinder have one drum, we can say it is a two-dimensional body like this, which is having the two sphere like this. Two sphere in equilibrium, we can say two spheres in equilibrium. So this is the normal support. At that point, this is the point 1, we are assuming this is point 2, this is point 3, this is point 4. R2 is vertical, this is R1 horizontal, this is R3 horizontal, and this here the W1 weight will go in downward if it is the second, and this is the first and the second. W2 will lie in this direction, and we make the center of the both the lines, then that act the force on this and that act the force on this. If it is the point O1, this is point O2, then we can make the FBD for first sphere, that will be the R2, this R1 is horizontal, one force is RO1 O2 in this way, and W weight is W1 is downward, and for the second sphere we are having the W2, we may have the RO1 RO2 like this, and one horizontal reaction R3 like this. Sometimes we are having the hanging roller, or sphere, In that case, we are having the wall and one string on which one sphere or ruler is hanged in that way. So there will be one reaction, normal reaction on it, and weight will come as a downward and tension along the flexible member like this, OA then TOA. So we can FBD, we can make the FBD for this is W is this, N in this direction, and TOA like this. We can also can do the things like W in this way and normal in this way and TOA. No issue.